Good evening. Thank you so much for joining Mr. Full Profit. As you guys can see here, today is Thursday evening, and we have a lot of opportunities right now with the order earnings. So, as you guys can see here, I have my setup here. I have something basic. Right now, what I'm looking for is to short the market earnings. That means that I'll be putting puts on those stocks. All right. As you can see, this is the TD Ameritrade. So all those that has these money sign blue and red, that means that the earnings, as you can see on the daily chart, this is my 5 minute and this is my daily chart. This is all I need right now. So I don't need all my monitors. I'm doing something basic. As you guys know, I'm not a financial advisor, but you guys could go ahead and follow me anytime and make sure that you do your own research as well. So now let's go ahead and look what's happening. So this is Cisco right here. So the pattern that I'm looking for is under the 5 minutes. All right. The 5 minutes, I want everything to be on the high side, way overbought for a tank. I'll show you guys one example when you guys get a chance. All right. So join me. Let's get going. So as you guys can see here, I'm here showing you guys my monitors. Okay, those are my 3 lists that I gave you guys and that I was showing you guys. Those are my setup that I'm looking for. That's my 2024 pattern. All right. So right now what I'm doing is that I'm just scrolling down to all. As you guys can see, as I'm scrolling down, I'm looking at for certain pattern. All right. So perfect example. Let me go ahead and show you guys what's going on with coin. Right now, coin was doing something extravagant last week. You see the pattern that I have here. It was in an uptrend above my 200 moving average, sorry, and on my EMA 45, right? So what happened is that coin was way overbought under my daily chart. If you guys can see it. So now what you do is that you look for resistance, so many resistance, and after that you get prepared to tank the market. All right. So that's what I'm looking for right now. So now, as you guys can see here, let me align all my earnings, all my big stock earnings. Okay. So now this is NVR. This is gonna take some time, but you gotta have patience. So if you're gonna follow me, you're gonna have to take time and see exactly what I'm doing. So I don't want to waste anybody's time and stuff like that, but this is what I do every single day. I have to vet the stocks. So right now, as you guys can see, that's already into the downturn. So I'm not looking for anything that way. I'll show you guys a perfect example. Which pattern? That one was kind of clear. You see, Melly was already way overbought. If you look at the line here, right, on the 5 minute, it was 1587 to 1519. That was a beautiful tank. So, but this one, I didn't take a trade because I wasn't paying attention to that one. I was doing some currency trading. So now I'm just scrolling down to all mine. MTD did the same thing. You see, those are the pattern I'm looking for above and after that, tank. So let's go ahead and do our homework, all right? I'll give you guys about 5 minutes of stock research. So that way you guys can see exactly how I'm working with my stocks. And look at BlackRock, beautiful. BlackRock on, let's see what day was that. On Tuesday, it was about 813. Look at it. It went down to 782. Beautiful drop. Those are stuff like that I'm looking for to take the opportunity. Okay, so keep your money handy in cash so that way you don't waste any money. All right, there's no need to stay trading every single day and stuff like that. Just be patient, do your research, look at that, into it. Beautiful. You see that beautiful pattern? Again, guys, up, 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 up. After that, tank. From 631 to 585, think about it. What a nice put if you would have some option put on there. So let's just keep going and keep searching and see what we could find, all right? But I'm really interested in earnings. I'm looking for earnings for sometime tomorrow, but whatever is showing me sign, I'm gonna go ahead and also take it. All right. So this is our job. to scroll and keep digging in. We're looking for consolidation. Beautiful, like Nvidia. You see, Nvidia did a consolidation for 2-3 days, and after that, from 499, it tanked to 472. Not too bad, not much of a return, but still, it kind of helped out. So let's look at something that's really overbought. Okay, CT, definitely that one was a little overbought, but there's a lot of consolidation, as you guys can see, you know, on the my daily chart. This is my 5-minute chart, so I'm looking for a nice long pattern, so I could short something. I want to make some good money. So allow me some time, team. That's part of the job, you know. We are screening. This is the best part of my day right now, nighttime, doing my research. And a daily chart, we could look at 3-stage of reversal as well, all right? So on the daily chart, let's look at the 3-stage reversal. So that way you guys could definitely take the opportunity. So again, let me go ahead and get you guys closer to my screen here, all right? I'm gonna show you guys something, because I know he's a little far away. So if you look at my daily chart, okay, clearly you see how I'm gonna draw a line. All right, resistant. One second, let me just remove that a little bit. Let me just resistant, and another one. The best one to always trade, I'll say always wait for it to go below the moving average. That's where you're gonna have the most trend. As you guys can see here, you see that last trend on the third one is from 391 to 309. So that's the best one I always suggest under the moving average. All right, team. So this is what we do under the daily chart. So as you guys can see, this is Home Depot. Home Depot had a nice run for 2 months, right? From 274 to 354. There is no reason why we wouldn't short that. So short from 354 to 338, that's about $20 drop. So let's just keep going ahead and keep checking. This is our job. Okay, Sam, I love Sam. This is the beer company. There are so many beers under them, SAM. So my job is to just cruise to the trading platform, the one daily chart, to make my final decision how I'm gonna take a trade. All right. So stay tuned. I'm not gonna hold you guys too long and stuff like that. I know I have about 8 minutes involved with this. I don't have all my screen open, but this is what I'm trading right now. Okay. So I'm using the 5-minute and my daily chart. All right. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys. All right. So have a good one.